Hello everyone, I am here for a project presentation for enhancing manufacturing ability of V6 engine using Fusion 360 for a DFM approach. So let's begin. Our project partners are Prithviraj Dadasaheb Jadhav, Akshay Pradeep Jadhav, Ashwin Jayaraman, Pawan Kalyan, Ravinder Reddy Vamireddy, Upattala Venkatakrishna Chaitanya, and Subhani Sheikh. Let's start with project background. The project focused on optimizing the components and assembly process of various components in a V6 car engine using a design for manufacturing, that is DFM methodology. The primary objectives was to analyze the assembly of V6 car engine and optimize their manufacturability and assembly efficiency. The project significantly focused on the oil pan and the connecting rod for detailed DFM analysis, which are crucial to the engine performance. The project developed a comprehensive manufacturing process plan for a crankshaft bushing, utilizing CNC milling processes. So the Autodesk Fusion 360 software was used to design and model the assembly of V6 car, incorporating over 20 design and modeling techniques such as sketching, assembly, surface modeling, and more. Let's discuss about design assembly. The project involves the selection of a V6 engine assembly for a study purpose. Autodesk Fusion 360 software was used for component designing and assembly. V6 engine is a six-cylinder internal combustion engine arranged in a V shape commonly used in mid-sized car, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Based on the cylinder layout, ICE, that is, internal combustion engine, are classified into the following types: single-cylinder engines, inline engines, V engines, W engines, X engines, U engines, H engines, radial engines, and delta engines. Due to its widespread use in high-performance cars, we have chosen the V6 engine for this study. This engine is precise in terms of performance and other parameters. Here you can see our V6 engine assembly, which is drawn in our Autodesk Fusion. In this project, 18 different components were designed and assembled using Fusion 360 software. The components are as follows: oil pan, bushing, crankshaft, engine block, piston, cylinder head, exhaust manifold, intake manifold, bushing and retainers, camshaft, rocker arm, engine wall, rocker arm backspring, wall cover, engine side cover, air turbo, air filter, and hose pipe. Here we have some part models like oil pan, crankshaft bushing, crankshaft, engine block, piston, cylinder head, exhaust manifold. Here we have some major parts including intake manifold, cam bushing and retainer, camshaft, rocker arm backspring, rocker arm, engine wall cover, engine cover, air turbo, air filter, hose pipe. DFM analysis of connecting rod. The connecting rod is an essential component of a V6 car engine. Its main job is to transfer motion from the piston to the crankshaft, to ensure that the connecting rod is made in an efficient and cost-effective manner while also improving performance through analysis called design for manufacturing was conducted. DFM is a process that evaluates the design of a product to make sure it can be manufactured easily and efficiently. The DFM analysis conducted on the connecting rod was aimed at identifying ways to simplify the manufacturing processes, reduce cost, improve the performance of the engine. This type of analysis is crucial in ensuring that the connecting rod is designed in the most way which ultimately leads to better performance and cost saving. DFM analysis of oil pan for a material improvement. The oil pan is an essential component of a V6 engine. It holds the engine lubricating oil and support various parts. To improve the engine overall performance, reduce weight, and simplifying manufacturing, a design for manufacturing analysis was conducted on the oil pan. DFM analysis is a process used to streamline the manufacturing process by optimizing the design of a product. It ensures that the product can be produced efficiently with minimal waste and at a lower cost. For the oil pan, the DFM analysis helped to identify areas where the design could be modified to reduce its weight and make it easier to manufacture while maintaining its functionality. This analysis helps to improve the performance of the engine and made the manufacturing process more efficient. Here you can see the redesigning of a part based on a DFM analysis, the original design and properties of a connecting rod, and the another picture of a design and properties of redesign connecting rod. So the mass of connecting rod, volume of a connecting rod, and also the material used for that connecting rod has a change. You can see a difference in the numbers. Impact of design improvement. The redesign of the connecting rod focused on extracting excess material and incorporating fillets to enhance performance and ease of manufacturing. Mass reduction. The redesigned connecting rod has experienced a considerable reduction in the mass from approximately 384 grams to 354 grams. This reduction in weight translates to improve the engine efficiency and reduce overall vehicle weight, leading to better fuel economy and enhanced performance. Volume optimization. Apart from the mass reduction, the volume of the connecting rod was also reduced from 1.426 to 1.312. This optimization not only contributes to the weight reduction but also simplifies manufacturing processes by using less material, thereby reducing in material cost. Performance enhancement. The addition of fillet and material extraction has significantly improved the overall performance of the connecting rod, the smoother edges, and reduced help in the minimizing stress concentration, thereby enhancing the reliability and lifespan of the component. Lean manufacturing principles. The redesigned connecting rod align with the lean manufacturing principle by focusing on a material optimization, waste reduction, and improve overall efficiency. Material improvement of oil pan. Original oil pan properties and the properties after material improvements. Let's see a material mass and volume has a change in the number you can see here. Impacts of material improvement. Material upgrade to aluminum 6160. The original oil pan made from stamped steel was heavy and challenging to manufacture. To address this issue, the material was upgraded to aluminum 6160. Aluminum is known for its lightweight properties, durability, and ease of manufacturing, making it an ideal choice for automotive applications. Mass reduction. The mass of the oil pan significantly decreased from 27,000 grams to approximately 9,300 grams after switching to aluminum 6160. This reduction in weight translates to the improved vehicle performance, including better acceleration, handling, and fuel efficiency. Manufacturability enhancement. Aluminum is easier to manufacture compared to the stamped steel. It can be formed into complex shapes with greater precision and efficiency, reducing production time and cost associated with tooling and machining. Performance and durability benefits. The use of aluminum enhances the oil pan's durability as aluminum offers superior corrosion resistance compared to mild steel. This improvement ensures longevity and reliability, contributing to the overall performance and lifespan of the engine. Heat dissipation. Aluminum has better heat dissipation properties than steel, while which it helps in maintaining optimal operating temperatures within the engine, enhancing overall efficiency of performance. Manufacturing plan for crankshaft bushing. In this project, we focused on manufacturing a crankshaft bushing using CNC milling technology. The choice of CNC milling for these components allows for precise and efficient machining operations. We utilized a variety of cutting tools and machining techniques to achieve the desired dimensions and surface finish. For the CNC milling process, we employed the following tools. The tools are flat end mills, ball end mills, and facing tools. The techniques we use that parallel machining, pencil milling, 2D countering, 3D adaptive clearing, and 2D pocket clearing. Machining operations like roughing, finishing, drilling, and reaming. Conclusion. This project aimed to optimize the manufacturing processes of critical components for V6 engine assembly, specifically the oil pan, connecting rod, and crankshaft bushing. We successfully showcased the effectiveness of advanced design and manufacturing methodology, such as design for manufacturing and computer numerical control milling using Autodesk Fusion 360. Key achievements and findings. Design optimization with DFM principles, material upgrades for enhanced performance, efficient manufacturing with CNC milling. In summary, the integration of DFM principles and advanced manufacturing techniques has proven to be the fruitful endeavor in the design and production of V6 engine components. Our use of Autodesk Fusion 360 and CNC milling has resulted in higher component performance and more sustainable manufacturing practices. Thank you.